Everyone follow Dawn Knows Best, man. She knows best.
Amen. I appreciate everybody that's watching these videos, because I know that if you're watching these videos, more than likely you've downloaded the Dawn Knows Best first official workbook. You've liked and subscribed to my channel. You like the videos, and you are supporting the brand. So I want to take a moment to thank you. I appreciate you guys, and I love you, besties. Now, this page, we're going to be focusing on naming the possibilities. This is not written in stone, but this is basically the clay that you use or can use to figure out exactly what we shall call this vision. What is its name? Now, you need to do your research. Naming a business can be very difficult. It can be very time-taking, but it's what could last forever. It's not like a nickname. You can't just call it bamboo today and pasta tomorrow and think people are going to stick with it. You want something that you can kind of carry with you long term. Yes, things change. Yes, you can change your name if you want to, but most people I've found, they trust the brand because they've gotten to know the brand, and you don't constantly want to be changing and flip-flopping. So at this point, it's a great idea for you to do some research, kind of figure out phrases or things that coincide in the industry, things that are tied to a niche. Play around with it to kind of do like a play on words. You might want to incorporate your name, but the thing is to do research and brainstorm so you can not only figure out what it is you like to name your business, but what names are available. You want to make sure that it's available, not simply as far as on your business search for the state, but also you want to make sure that it's available on social media, on your website domain, as well as not trademarked. This will help you in the long run because you don't want to get invested in a name, pay for business licenses, go ahead and get your EIN just to find out that, oh my goodness, this name has been trademarked. So save yourself a lot of time and effort. Write the possibilities down. Again, there are no boundaries, but you might also want to put some boundaries in place. You don't want names that are hard to spell, tricky names that only you know. Try to find something that is spelled like it sounds. You don't have to do that. I'm just suggesting it because you want something that when a person hears it, they can just quickly type it up to be able to find it, because you know most people lose interest. If they can't find it, they're just going to go on to the next thing and Google what it is that they need, unless it's a business that they trust in. They're just really tied to getting to know. They've already invested in it emotionally, and now they just have to have it. So I'm not saying don't be creative, put 3s instead of E's. I'm saying keep in mind that your customer, your consumer, potential customer, has to be able to find you, and you want to be findable. The way the page is set up, you can write down the possibilities for your name, and you can check mark and decide, is it findable on Facebook? Is it findable on, has the domain already been secured? Has it been trademarked? These are all slots that are on the page. That way you have room for error. And again, it's okay to go back to the drawing board and change it up, but this is just to give you an idea of what is possible. That's why it's named the possibilities. So you guys have fun with that. And of course, once you finish up, go to the next page. And again, thank you so much for trusting in me, besties, to go ahead and get your business implemented. Love you guys.
Thank you for joining me.
Everyone follow Dawn Knows Best, man. She knows best.
Amen.